I forgot what day it is. There's also low tide, and there's the pier. And there's the dog. That's basically what this vacation's been about. Gonna get it, Sam? She just runs past it. She's my running dog. Well, she wants to play. That's what she wants to do. She's like, nope. Can I have it? Can I have it? Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's behind my back. Here, I'll give it to Dad. That was not a good idea. She's like, ooh, rocks.
Go on.
Oh, boy. Come here, Sam. Come here. Trying to get her to come over here to this part of the tide pool. I think she's just happy just being in the water. Day, whatever, at the beach. I forgot how many days I've been down here, honestly. And it's like 9:45. This has been awesome. Waking up really early, going to the beach, and like literally spending all day here. It's easy. I mean, would you guys use a fork to eat a chip?
What are you gonna do for a napkin?
You ask for a napkin. I mean, my parents have no idea how to eat Mexican food because they just ordered silverware. My mom here is struggling with her gluten-free taco. I mean, come on, Mom.
Without silverware, I mean that.
Just buy. You guys don't know how to eat Mexican. I'm okay, but look, you just wrap it up. Just wrap it up, okay? What up, doggo? Where are we going, Sammy?
There he is.
Oh, there's a doggo right there. Sammy's like, where are we going, boss? Going somewhere, Sammy. That's where we're going. Yeah. I know this is really grainy because it's nighttime. I should probably be using my my normal camera. Give me a second. Just out here, I forgot what time it is, just drinking some Reds. This has been a very relaxing vacation. Like last year, it was crazy. There was always stuff going on. There's a firework that just went off. There was always stuff that was going on. I was like, what is going on? Why is my tooth breaking? Why is the island flooding? But this has been genuinely relaxing. And this is all I've needed right now because I've been so stressed out recently. These guys are lighting off fireworks. Those are cute. I don't know what they are. Are those fireworks or are they just lights? Looks like it's just a light that makes the sound when you throw it in the air. Morning! Today's breakfast is by the sea. And I got the All America with scrambled eggs, really good southern style potatoes, and of course bacon. The music here is popping. Same with that bird. Morning again. I forgot what day it's been since I've been down here. I'm pretty tan already. I don't know if you can tell. Today's a bit windier than yesterday was, so it's still sunny. She already got it. Where is it, Sandy? I'm gonna get it. She don't like salt water. You are so cute. She's a beach dog. Welcome to Steam Edition. Where the hell is he going? Is he landing? Or is he just flying really low? He's just flying really low. Again, welcome to Steam Edition. One of these freaking birds just freaking took a shat all over my seat here. See that? My leg was right, you can see where my foot was. It just shit all over, right by me. God. I was inches, no, not even inches, centimeters away from being hit. And it just freaking landed next to me. Oh my God. So it was pretty much an uneventful vacation. Ends up in a figurative pile of bird shit. Almost rather literal pile of bird shit. So now I will wash off my towel in this here sink. I'm really glad bird shit's easy to get rid of. But come on, man. Or rather, come on, bird. That wasn't necessary. Just having a nice vacation up until now, and you decide to literally shit upon it. Whatever. That's pretty cool. You can see it on the camera. I can't see it. Wow, that's okay. There we go. Rainbows. Back to the beach with me. Got just a bit sunburnt, but a lot tan. I'm pretty happy about that. It's a very successful beach vacation, and we're leaving tomorrow morning. Also, people have liked my Pocono Raceway hat for some reason. Also, this has been interesting. Every time I would post something on Instagram this past week, a number of IndyCar drivers were liking my post just out of nowhere. So to those of you IndyCar drivers who are randomly watching my YouTube channel, welcome. And thank you for liking my social media posts. Well, Dad, did you have a good vacation? Another 5 days? Are you talking about for your vacation?
Yeah, only 5 days. I get 10 days off, right? Still got 5 more days, man.
I mean, I'm talking about down here.
Oh yeah, it's great down here. Weather was good, food was good.
Yep. Frozen yogurt. Of course. Of course. Right, Mom? Right, Dad? They don't like my YouTube channel.